Have you forgotten your Tastytrade account's password and don't know what to do during login process? If yes, then do not worry at all. We are going to learn how you can easily reset your forgotten Tastytrade account's password. First of all, launch open any web browser on your preferred device and in the URL box at the top type in tastytrade.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Tastytrade where you can easily sign in. Go to the upper right corner and click on sign in order to get to the login interface. Now, simply go ahead and click on the forgot password link underneath the password box and enter your registered email address for Tastytrade account. After typing down your correct email, click OK. You'll now need to go ahead and open up your email inbox. Click open the email from Tastytrade that you received and inside it, you'll need to go ahead and click the change your password link. After you click on that, it'll take you to the password reset page or the change page where you'll need to enter a new password you want to change to. Type in your new password in the password field at the top and re-enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, click submit and you'll be able to reset your password for good on Tastytrade. Now next time you try to log in, always make sure to enter the newly updated password and then your correct username and click sign in to get access to your account again. So that is how you can easily change your password or reset your password on Tastytrade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.